Price action trading is a popular strategy in binary options trading that relies on interpreting and predicting market movements based on historical price data, without using complex indicators. This strategy involves analyzing candlestick patterns, support and resistance levels, trend lines, and chart patterns to make informed trading decisions. Traders using price action focus on the price itself, believing that all necessary information about market sentiment and potential future movements is reflected in price changes. In binary options trading, price action strategy can be particularly effective due to the short-term nature of trades. Traders can capitalize on small price movements within specific time frames. Key techniques include identifying key support and resistance levels where price tends to reverse or stall, recognizing candlestick patterns like pin bars and engulfing patterns that indicate potential reversals, and observing the overall market trend to align trades with the dominant direction. One advantage of price action trading is its simplicity and adaptability across different market conditions. It helps traders avoid the lag often associated with technical indicators. However, it requires a deep understanding of market behavior and disciplined execution. Successful price action traders often combine their analysis with solid risk management practices to enhance their profitability and minimize losses.